What's up YouTube? It's Jess, aka Snail, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a little unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing this 71 Corvette Open Roadster. It's a little bit unboxed already because as you can tell it's an older kit. I'm going to be doing this kit for my Grammie, that is my dad's mom. She's not feeling too well right now, so I thought that maybe doing this kit might cheer her up. She used to have a 72 actually stingray Corvette Convertible. So I'm going to go ahead and try and get this kit as close as I can to accurate to the car that she used to have. And I thought that that would be really cool. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and let's just jump right in. All right, opening it up. Oh yeah, definitely has that vintage kit smell. Gotta love it. All right, let's check it out. So here, you know what? We're gonna, I'll show you this and then we're gonna change the angle up. We're gonna do a better angle, but this is the body. Very cool. All right. I'm gonna flip the camera around. Okie dokie, ladies and germs. So as I've showed you before, we have the body of the Corvette. Little bed pan, floor panel, frame, and the body. And I finally got the hood out, so. Very cool. I don't know if I should keep this down or up. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. But my Grammie's vet was actually silver, so I know that I'm going to be painting the body like a really nice silver. And let's check out what's inside the box. So first things first, I took this from a different kit. I actually took this from the Fleet Side truck kit. That I chopped up so I can make the monster truck, which by the way guys, this is some heartbreaking news, but the monster truck kit bash was the first kit that I actually shelved. I made some serious mistakes. I learned a lot, but one of the main mistakes I made was not considering the engine that would fit the Chevy 1/25 scale body that I used. So I just shelved that project. I might bring it back from the dead later, but for now I just kind of wanted to move on to some things that I would actually enjoy and were causing me a little less frustration. So this is the engine that I'm gonna be using because unfortunately the engine that was in this kit is just not the right engine. I don't know if this was the engine that actually came with this kit. I don't think it is, but it was the only engine that was in there. Like I said, this kit was already opened, so this is the only thing that I'm going to be taking from another kit is the engine. Other than that, we have the old school directions. You can tell by how yellow this paper is, how old it is. But yeah, it's going to be fairly easy step by step once I get through the engine. And then let's see what we got in here. So that's an oil pan and stuff that came with the kit, I think. Not really sure. Yeah, so some more extra engine parts and then some tires, some tire wells and rims. But I think I'm going to go with the chrome ones that it has because these are just a little nicer than these. There are actually some pretty nice rims on here, so we're going to go with those. Okie dokie. Got some tires. Very cool. And so all sorts of little pieces in here, it looks like. That might be a firewall. I'm not entirely sure. Let's go ahead and open it up and check her out. Okay, yeah, I think that's the firewall. And then looks like we got some more seats and stuff. There's definitely a lot going on with the parts in this kit, because I'm not sure which chairs to use. You guys tell me which ones you think would look better. I think these ones, because I think these are the ones that come with the kit, so I might go with this one. And then what else do we have here? We got some exhaust pipes. Those will be groovy. Very cool. And then there we go. Now I'm finding some parts. Not sure what this thing is. It's all wrapped up in tissue paper. Let's check it out. Oh, now I see why it was wrapped in paper. The windshield. I mean, even though it was wrapped in toilet paper, this needs some serious glossing. Some serious shine. All right. We got that. And there's more tires in here. Not sure which set of tires I should use. Maybe you guys can tell me what you think. These tires or these ones, guys? Let me know in the comments. And some very old decals. I'm sure these will work great. That was sarcasm. Old decals are so hard to put on. And it comes with a clear hood too. I definitely think I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, guys, and that's pretty much the basics of what's inside of this kit. You know, just a lot of little odds and ends. I'm gonna try and keep, like, I'm gonna try to use this much of the kit as possible, like what actually came with the kit, and keep it kind of like stock. But looks like we got little gauges and stuff for the dash. Very cool, very cool. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for what's inside this little kit here. I really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching my video, and hopefully this one goes well. All right, everybody, take it easy. Bye.